Welcome to Bestsellers Market, the ultimate destination for discovering top-rated products. I'm thrilled to have you here today. We have an exciting countdown lined up, showcasing the best-selling application tools on Amazon. These products have been chosen based on their outstanding performance, customer reviews, and popularity. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and explore the most sought-after application tools that are making waves in the market. Let's get started. And now, let's dive into number 5 on our list of the best-selling application tools on Amazon. The Women T-shirts Retro Floral Printed Graphic Tees. Summer casual, round neck, short sleeve tops, blouse loose t-shirt. This stylish gem is a must-have for any wardrobe. Crafted from a blend of polyester and spandex, this tee offers the perfect combination of comfort and stretch. The pull-on closure makes it a breeze to wear, while the round neck design adds a touch of classic charm. Whether you're dressing up for a night out or keeping it casual for a day at the beach, this shirt has you covered. Let's talk details. This isn't just any t-shirt. It's a canvas of creativity and style. Featuring a vibrant sunflower print, this tee is not only eye-catching but also speaks to your love for nature and summer vibes. The short sleeves keep you cool and comfortable, perfect for those warm sunny days. But that's not all. The versatility of this top is unmatched. Pair it with jeans for a laid-back look, or dress it up with a skirt for a more polished appearance. And let's not forget the variety. Whether you prefer sleeveless tops, off-the-shoulder blouses, or floral spaghetti strappy tank tops, there's something for everyone. Looking for more options? This brand has you covered with a wide range of styles, from sleeveless to short sleeves, from casual loose tops to solid color t-shirts. The choices are endless, allowing you to express your unique style effortlessly. Imagine slipping into this soft, comfortable t-shirt, feeling the lightweight fabric against your skin. The retro floral graphic not only adds a pop of color but also brings a sense of nostalgia and charm to your outfit. It's more than just a top, it's a statement piece that tells a story. So why settle for ordinary when you can embrace extraordinary? Elevate your summer wardrobe with the Women T-shirts Retro Floral Printed Graphic Tees. Experience the perfect blend of style, comfort, and versatility. This is more than just a purchase. It's an investment in your fashion future. Number 5 on our countdown, and it's clear why these t-shirts aren't just popular, they're beloved by women everywhere. Don't miss out on adding this timeless piece to your collection. Now let's unveil number 4 on our countdown of the top 5 best-selling application tools on Amazon, the Women's Sherpa line sweatshirt. Imagine the ultimate blend of warmth and style, a winter essential that redefines comfort. Crafted from a premium polyester blend, this sweatshirt is designed to wrap you in a cocoon of softness. The pull-on closure ensures ease and convenience, while the V-neck style adds a touch of elegance. Perfectly fitting with a loose, relaxed silhouette, it allows for effortless layering and all-day comfort. But what makes this sweatshirt stand out? The luxurious Sherpa lining. It's like wearing a cozy blanket that keeps the chill at bay, making it your go-to piece for those frosty winter days. The long sleeves provide extra coverage, and the hood adds an extra layer of protection against the elements. Versatility is key with this piece. Whether you're lounging at home, heading out for a casual day, or running errands, this sweatshirt adapts to your lifestyle. It pairs beautifully with jeans, leggings, or even your favorite cozy pajamas. Dress it up with a statement necklace, or keep it laid back with your favorite sneakers. The collection doesn't stop here. This line offers a range of styles to fit your unique taste. From hooded cropped sweatshirts to long sleeve pullover tops, there's something for everyone. The button collar printed hoodies and graphic sweatshirts bring a playful edge, while the faux fur coats and shaggy jackets add a touch of glamour to your winter wardrobe. Imagine slipping into this sweatshirt on a brisk morning, the soft Sherpa lining warming you instantly. The loose fit gives you freedom to move, while the V-neck adds a stylish twist. It's more than just a top, it's an experience of comfort and luxury. So why wait to elevate your winter wardrobe? The Women's Sherpa line sweatshirt is not just a bestseller for its style, but for the unparalleled comfort it offers. It's time to embrace the winter season with a piece that promises warmth, style, and versatility. Number 4 on our list, but certainly number 1 in cozy winter wear. Now stepping into the spotlight at number 3 on our countdown of the top 5 best-selling application tools on Amazon is a true gem for the creative soul, the Fashion Art Neck Style Fashion Decorator Refill. Imagine a world where your artistic visions come to life with a burst of color and creativity. This product, brought to you by the renowned brand Neck Style, is designed to elevate your art projects to new heights. Weighing in at a mere 0.01 ounces, it's light as a feather, yet packed with endless possibilities. What sets this decorator refill apart? It's all in the flakes. These aren't just any flakes, they are tiny fragments of inspiration ready to transform your ordinary projects into extraordinary masterpieces. Whether you're embellishing a fashion piece, crafting a personalized gift, or simply exploring your artistic side, these flakes are your ticket to a world of dazzling designs. The versatility of the Fashion Art Next Style Fashion Decorator refill is unmatched. Its recommended use for arts opens a plethora of avenues for creativity. From clothing and accessories to home decor and school projects, the only limit is your imagination. Think of it as the secret ingredient to your creative recipe, adding that perfect touch of sparkle and flair. UPC 765940304396. Remember this number because it's your gateway to endless artistic adventures. Each tiny flake, each shimmer, is meticulously crafted to ensure the highest quality, making your projects not just visually appealing but also durable and lasting. Imagine sprinkling these flakes onto your canvas. Watch as your designs come alive with texture and brilliance. The Fashion Art Next Style Fashion Decorator refill is more than just a product. It's a journey into the heart of creativity. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a novice looking to explore, this refill is your perfect companion. So why settle for the mundane when you can create the magnificent? The Fashion Art Next Style Fashion Decorator. Refill is not just a tool, it's an invitation to express, explore, and enchant. Standing proudly at number 3 on our list, it's a testament to the transformative power of creativity. Elevate your artistic endeavors with Next Style, and let your creativity shine like never before. This is your moment to sparkle. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling application tools on Amazon? Well, don't brush it off. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay coded with all our latest updates. Introducing the stellar number 2 on our list of top-selling application tools on Amazon. WanderSubli Pre-Treat by Wanderlust Designs Tx. A game changer in the world of fabric customization, this 16-ounce clear solution is your key to achieving vibrant and flawless sublimation prints. Picture this, you're ready to unleash your creativity on a non-bleached sublimation t-shirt. The design is perfect, the colors are vivid, but how do you ensure that your vision translates seamlessly onto the fabric? Enter WanderSubli Pre-Treat. This ingenious product is specifically formulated to prepare your t-shirts for sublimation, ensuring every print is nothing short of spectacular. Why is WanderSubli Pre-Treat a must-have? Let's delve into the details. This pre-treatment solution is designed to work in perfect harmony with WanderSubli sublimation spray. When used together, they form an unbeatable duo, guaranteeing that your designs adhere beautifully to the fabric, resulting in sharp, vibrant, and long-lasting prints. Imagine spraying your non-bleached t-shirt with this clear, magical elixir. The pre-treat works its wonders, creating the ideal surface for your sublimation ink. The result? A print so vivid, so crisp, it looks like it's straight out of a professional print shop. Every detail of your design is preserved, every color pops, making your custom t-shirts stand out from the crowd. But the magic doesn't stop there. WanderSubli Pre-Treat isn't just about aesthetics, it's about quality and durability. Your prints won't just look amazing, they'll stay amazing wash after wash, wear after wear. It's the ultimate solution for anyone serious about sublimation printing, from hobbyists to professionals. Let's talk about versatility. This pre-treat isn't limited to just t-shirts. Think beyond the basic tea tote bags, aprons, and other non-bleached fabric items can all benefit from the magic of WanderSubli Pre-Treat. It's your all-in-one solution for bringing your creative projects to life. So, why choose WanderSubli Pre-Treat by Wanderlust Designs Tx? Because it's more than just a product, it's a promise. A promise that your designs will be as vibrant and stunning as you imagined. A promise that your prints will stand the test of time. And a promise that your creativity will never be limited. Standing proudly at number 2 on our countdown, WanderSubli Pre-Treat is a testament to the power of innovation and quality in the world of sublimation printing. Elevate your designs, embrace the brilliance, and make every print a masterpiece. Finally, taking the crown at number 1 on our countdown of the top 5 best-selling application tools on Amazon, we have a true game changer, WanderSubli, the 16-ounce sublimation enhancement spray. This remarkable product is designed to revolutionize the world of sublimation printing, especially for t-shirts that aren't 100% polyester. Imagine a world where you can bring your designs to life on virtually any fabric. WanderSubli makes this possible. This sublimation enhancement spray ensures that your prints are vibrant, durable, and flawless regardless of the material you're working with. Whether it's a cotton blend, a synthetic mix, or any other fabric, WanderSubli breaks the boundaries, allowing you to achieve professional quality prints every single time. Why is WanderSubli the ultimate choice for sublimation enthusiasts? It's all about the science behind the spray. This enhancement solution penetrates deep into the fibers of your t-shirt, creating an ideal surface for sublimation inks. The result? Stunningly vivid prints that adhere perfectly without any fading or bleeding. Your designs stay crisp and clear, wash after wash, wear after wear. Picture yourself spraying WanderSubli onto your chosen fabric. In just moments, it transforms the surface into a canvas ready for your creative masterpiece. The colors are more vibrant, the details more defined, and the overall quality unparalleled. It's like giving your sublimation projects a superpower, ensuring that every print is a standout success. But it doesn't stop at t-shirts. WanderSubli is versatile enough for both indoor and outdoor use. Imagine customizing everything from tote bags and pillowcases to banners and outdoor flags. This spray adapts to your creative needs, offering limitless possibilities. No longer confined to polyester, your sublimation projects can now explore a world of diverse materials and applications. Let's talk about ease of use. WanderSubli is straightforward and user-friendly. Simply spray it on your fabric, apply your sublimation print, and watch the magic unfold. It's a seamless addition to your printing process, designed to enhance without complicating. Standing proudly at the pinnacle of our countdown, WanderSubli isn't just a product. It's a revolution in sublimation printing. It empowers you to push creative boundaries, to experiment with new materials, and to achieve results that were once thought impossible. So why settle for less when you can have the best? With WanderSubli, every print is a masterpiece waiting to happen. It's time to elevate your sublimation game, to embrace the extraordinary, and to make every project a stunning success. Number 1 on our list, and undoubtedly number 1 in the hearts of creators everywhere. WanderSubli, the future of sublimation printing, is here. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling application tools on Amazon. To keep up with all the top products, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the best-selling items we talked about today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.